up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's look, we are going to be doing a sexy smoked out black eye. No, that came out wrong. Sexy smoked out wing liner look. We're going to add a little bit of glitter to it. It sounds a little bit complex, but trust me, as we're doing it, it's going to be one of the easiest looks that you do. You're only going to need 3 different colors, and it's just a lot of blending in order to get this look done. So I already have my brows and my eyes prepped. I use the Anastasia Brow Wiz as my brow product for today, and then I went ahead and applied the NARS Soft Matte Concealer all over my lids, and then I set it with the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. The first product I'm going to go into is a single shadow. It's this shadow right here. This is Fawn from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to take that on a Morphe M441 brush. And all I'm gonna do is, you guys probably guessed it, just back and forth, and then windshield wiper motions. And this is gonna be our transition color. So I'm going to go into my Naked Basics palette from Urban Decay, and I'm going to use the shade WOS, and I'm just going to apply that all over the lid. I just want it to be like a muted color. I'm not trying to make it like ultra pigmented or anything, so I'm just going to take WOS and literally apply that on the lid. And I'm just gonna take my blending brush and then I'm just gonna run it over one more time, just so it's not like a super harsh line between the lid color and the product we used as our transition shade. Perfect. So now to get started on the smoked out wing, we need some tape. You could totally try to do this freehand if you'd like. I'm not the best at it, so we're gonna use tape as like a little bit of a guide. What you're gonna do is take a strip of tape, put it on the back of your hand because it'll get some of the stickiness off, unpeel it, and align it right underneath your lashes. It's gonna look and feel a little bit weird, but we're gonna use it as a guide. So now I'm gonna take a teeny tiny brush, take the color Crave, and I'm going to start smoking out this wing. I want to be very precise. Close your eye. Start out small and then go back into more product. If you apply a lot of product right away, it's going to get muddled and messy, so just slowly build it up. Now that I have the shape of the wing that I kind of want, I'm going to go into the Dose of Colors I Love Sarai palette. Open this bad boy up, and we're going to use this black that has like glitter speckles on it. And I'm still taking a tiny brush, but it's a little bit more flat and dense, so spray with some Flicks Plus. All we're going to do is we're going to go right on top of that liner we did. Then I'm going to take a clean brush and just kind of buff it out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into the palette and I'm going to dip into this blue shade, and we're literally just going to put it over the black that we used. I thought this black was initially going to be more glittery, and it is a little bit, but not too much, and still I wanted to pop a little bit. So we're just going to do the exact same thing except with the blue. And this one, instead of like swiping, you're just going to press it right onto it. Now, take this off. I'm left with 2 fierce looking wings. I'm going to get makeup remover wipes and then clean this off in just a second. So in the meantime, I'm going to prep my face. First thing I'm going to go in with is the Vitamin Enriched Face Base from Bobbi Brown. And so then to smooth everything out, I'm going to go in with the Cover FX Blurring Primer. Okay, so now I'm going to do my foundation. I'm going to use the Makeup Forever HD foundation and mix a little bit of the Lancome Tint Adal Ultra 24-Hour Foundation. To add an extra bit of glow, I'm going to add a little bit of the Temptu and BoxyCharm Liquid Glow. my concealer today, I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So now we're going to work on the lower lashes. I'm going to take my pencil brush and I'm going to go into the black eyeshadow. And this one you want to be very careful because you don't want to get too much fallout. So go back into this one a little bit and just run it on this front part here. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Fawn and just smoke everything out. Finish up the eyes. I'm going to go back into this palette. Let's take a little bit of this guy right here. Run it right along the brow bone for a little glow. I'm going to take it old school. So for my contour, the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. For my blush today, I'm going to use the Hourglass Ambient Lighting palette. It's just like this. And I'm going to mix these two. And for my glow, I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Bar of Gold. This little beauty right here. And I heard that you're supposed to wet your brush for a little bit more intensity. For lips, I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in Pillow Talk and the mini lipstick in Pillow Talk also. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you learned something. I really hope you guys love it. It's just a nice little take on a classic like smoked out eyeliner look. And I do think it's a little bit easier to do it this way instead of just doing it with eyeliner. If you recreate this look, be sure to tag me or hashtag me on Twitter, Snapchat, or Instagram. If you guys like this look, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.